Hey everyone, it's Mike Klingler, and welcome to the channel where we talk about the scams, the schemes, and everything in between to generate cryptocurrency commissions, including the few really good opportunities. And Binance's referral program is awesome. I happen to really like the exchange, Binance, where it has a very good reputation, and they're expanding into all kinds of things, and they offer a fantastic referral program. In another video on this channel, you'll find where I talk more about the referral program and the system that we use to generate cryptocurrency commissions, including Binance. Here, I wanted to talk about how you can take advantage of the new double up affiliate commissions opportunity that Binance is offering. They had offered to pay twice as much in affiliate commissions to those who have 500 BNB. And I had promised in that video to share with you how you can get more BNB if you have dust on the Binance exchange. So if you've been using Binance, the Binance exchange, this video is for you. If you have not been using the Binance exchange, but you're interested in learning how you can generate affiliate commissions, including affiliate commissions with Binance, one of the most reputable, if not the most reputable exchange at the time for trading cryptocurrency, look for my other video on this channel that shows you how we have a system and all kinds of things in place to help you generate cryptocurrency commissions, including with Binance. But in this video, this video is for those of you right now who already have been using Binance and you want to know how you can turn your dust into BNB, because to get paid double affiliate commissions with Binance, you need 500 BNB. And a lot of people just don't know. Now, those of you who are experts about, or at least, intermediate level with trading, you probably already know this. But it took me a while to find out how to do this, and that is to turn your dust into BNB. And what do I mean by that is when you do a lot of trading with different cryptocurrencies, you're going to see little trace amounts, right, of different cryptocurrency left over. That's just sitting in there. And if you don't have it meet a certain threshold, I think it's 0.001, I believe, of that cryptocurrency, whatever it may be that you traded with, it leaves it in your account and it looks like you can't do anything with it, but you can. With a simple click of your button, you can turn it into BNB, and then you could turn that into Bitcoin, or you can hold it in there to help you accrue 500 BNB so you can get paid double on your Binance commissions. Now, if you're not interested in the Binance referral program, that's fine. You can still use this function to turn your dust, that is the leftover cryptocurrency that's just sitting in there, the really small amounts that it appears you can't do anything with. I'm going to show you how to turn that into BNB. Looking at this slide here real quick, you can see here when you go to your balance. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. Well, yeah, I'll show you where to go if you're brand new, you don't even know where to go to look at your balance on Binance. I'll show you that in a second. But this is what I'm talking about. So over here it shows different cryptocurrencies, and here it shows 0.007, 0.01, 0.06. Down here is 0.0002. So something that small, well, that's BNB itself, so that wouldn't count. I know I have a couple. I'm not finding them right now, but there's a couple in here that have less than, maybe it's a different account. My point is, when you see in your balance that you have less than 0.001 of something, you can't like take it out, you can't withdraw, you can't do anything, but you can turn it into BNB, and you can turn that BNB into Bitcoin, or again, if you're trying to get 500 BNB in Binance, you can get double up on the referral commissions. This is a great way to do it, or to help you get a little bit more. If you've been trading a lot, like I know some people that have been trading a lot on Binance, and they're using like an Autobot, and they're doing lots of trades all the time, and they don't realize they have all this, again, we call it dust, all this, tiny amounts of all these different cryptocurrencies. They don't know what to do with it. They don't know they can turn it into BNB. So that's why I wanted to make this video. Okay, so if this is for you, what you do, I don't want to actually click on it on my live site because it's going to show you my balance. I don't want to show the world my balance, and for security reasons. So just know you log into your account, you go to balance, you go to balance, and then you click on convert to BNB. For those that don't know how to get there, when you're logged in, you go to funds to get to balances. You go to funds, and then you click on balances. I don't want to do that because it shows my account balance and all that kind of stuff. I don't want to show secure information, but that's how you get there to that slide. And then once you're on that page on balances, again, to make this really clear, then you click on this button right here, convert to BNB, and again, it will turn your small balances into BNB, which you can then store and help you save up to 500 BNB. So you're getting paid double affiliate commissions, like I talked about in that other video, or you could convert that into Bitcoin or whatever altcoins you want. So again, coming back to here, after you hit convert BNB, you'd come to a page like this, and then you just hit. This would automatically be checked. Make sure it is. Here it shows I have a little bit of Bitcoin. I might not want. I'm going to unclick that one because I'm going to go ahead and just leave my Bitcoin, even though it's just dust a little bit. I'm going to leave it in there. But EOS, it looks like I have 0.00941 EOS. If I hit, and I have it checked here. If I hit exchange, this exchange button, it will convert it to BNB. And when I don't have a lot of them now, but when I first did it, I had dozens of them. And it turned out to be a lot of BNB. And it was really helpful in just helping me get to the 500 BNB requirement that you need to get paid double affiliate commissions for those that are taking part in the affiliate commission program. Those who don't know about affiliate commissions or what have you, here's a page that we have that we create for people. And we'll do this for free. There's some caveats to that because there's a big line for people that want to use it for free, but like we don't even charge a lot of people for being able to use this system to generate affiliate commissions in cryptocurrency that you can use to build your Bitcoin and altcoin portfolios. And wouldn't it be nice to have cryptocurrency commissions coming in on a regular basis that you could just use to keep buying more and more crypto? That's what I do. That's what a lot of people that I work with do. And this is one of the pages of our system that help us do that. If you don't have an account with Binance already, you could go to this page, watch this video, shows you how to get set up, get your own affiliate link. But there's lots of programs that pay affiliate commissions, legitimate programs that pay affiliate commissions. Here's Trezor and Ledger, all kinds of them, and we're adding more all the time. And some of them actually pay extraordinarily well, and we vetted them, and we have a system that walks you through all that. So if you look under this video, you'll find a link that takes you into that system if you're interested in getting plugged into how we use a system that we can give to you to generate affiliate commissions paid in cryptocurrency like Binance. If you're not aware of all of that and you want to plug into an automated way to do that, pretty awesome opportunity. Look for the link below. Hope this video was helpful to those of you who, well, I know it was, who didn't know that you could turn the dust sitting in those low amounts of cryptocurrency, you can turn that into BNB. Very, very helpful when I learned how to do that, because otherwise I was just wasting that cryptocurrency. I didn't know that I could do that for quite some time. So it was very useful when I learned how to do that. Hope it was useful to you as well.